I know what you're thinking. Yo, Marco, that guy just made Jello shots. Why can't it be both, Marco? Why can't they be Jello shots and hand sanitizer? Why can't they be both? Marco, do Jello shots do that? COVID free? I don't think so. Does hand sanitizer do this? Well, maybe. But if it does, you're nasty.
Cooking for one has never been so fun. If you don't know what to make, it's never too late. The Bachelor's fridge is kicking out the jams and the jellies.
Oh, thank God. Hello. You're at home right now. Just like me. Because we can't leave. And you're probably out of hand sanitizer. Whoops. What are you going to do? Well, good news is you can make it at home with a few simple ingredients. Now it's very important that when you do this at home, you use at least 60% alcohol. That's why I say get the Everclear, because guaranteed 95% alcohol. Otherwise you're not going to kill shit. Alright, let's get the science out of the way here. COVID-19, coronavirus is killed by alcohol, and this is alcohol. There's the science. Here's a little more science for you. This alcohol will cook off at a certain temperature. It's actually like something relatively low, like 145 degrees, I believe. So you don't want to boil this. Do not boil. We're going to make hand sanitizer in 3 different flavors today. We're going to make cranberry hand sanitizer. We will be making lemon hand sanitizer. We will be making lime hand sanitizer. And your traditional non-flavored hand sanitizer for those of you who don't want to eat your hand sanitizer, which why wouldn't you? I don't know, it's dope. Alright, 1 cup of grain alcohol into the pot. Woo-wee, Rick! So we don't want to heat up. We don't want to burn off any of this alcohol, but we're approaching 100 degrees. With our highly technical meat thermometer. If you don't have a meat thermometer, a rectal thermometer works just fine. Yo, you could see that. Did you see that? We're getting there, I think. Holy butts! That was a face full of grain alcohol. Let's go in here. Not too much time on there. Parse out some flavors for you. I'm going to parse out some flavors. Let's start with cranberry hand sanitizer. You're going to sanitize those hands. Might as well be cranberry, right? It's pretty, holy butts! It is, whoa. I feel pretty comfortable here with, whoops, I just dumped that in and I didn't mean to do that. Looks like we're making a full batch. Little hand sanitizer action. Gonna put these and let them set up a little. Again, also, since it's not like water, there's not a lot of water in there, what I'm thinking is it's not gonna be like, yeah. Anyway, like here's a little, there's a cute little into the freezer with these, right? I'm gonna make up a few more batches and I'm gonna check back in with you. Now for this one, I'm using a lot more of the Everclear. I don't want it to Jello-ify. Looks like Looks like Barry Bonds steroid test right there. 2 ingredients, Jello and Everclear. 2 easy steps. Spray your hands. Now all you have to do is wash them so they're no longer sticky and you're all set. I shaved. Check it out. Most successful. Right here. Check it out. Flavorless hand sanitizer Jello shot. Edible ish. Well. Not. Sanitized? Yes. Inside and out. L'chaim. Woo-wee, a little behind the ears. For good measure. See that, Marco? Naysayers.